Hello, welcome to the first day at Embedded World in Nuremberg. Please feel warmly invited to see our booth, to see what is new this year at Phytec. Perhaps we will see each other in presence, but for the first stage I would like to show you in this form what is new at Phytec this year. Let us start with our system on module solutions, which is of course our main competence in development. For example, with the latest development from Texas Instruments, it's AM68, which offers Cortex-A72 cores, DSPs, up to 8 cameras, and of course solutions for artificial intelligence. One point could be, of course, the recognition of objects. So you can see here already in our evaluation board that the system can see the difference of objects and can recognize if we are talking about a person or an object. So far our SOMs, which we of course offer not only from Texas Instruments but also from NXP and ST. And of course, as many more and more processing units offer camera interfaces, we offer additional cameras. The latest one are MIPI CSI cameras. So you see here a range of different cameras from 1 megapixel up to 5 megapixels performance, global shutter or rolling shutter. The latest one is 2.3 megapixel camera, which is full HD able. And you can put such a camera on our system, on our embedded system, for example here with the IMX8M Plus, which offers ISP and can show you the difference in quality using ISP or not using ISP. So this is a very interesting point for image processing. Okay, so we have a system on modules supported by cameras, not only this. If you like to work with OEMs or to use OEMs, we offer different solutions from Cortex-A7 up to Cortex-A53. And you see here already included in the rail housing, which offers many possibilities not only for your hardware and software features or certifications, but also for your branding. So many possibilities to use this as OEM product. Talking about hardware is of course important, also to talk about software. So this is the next point I would like to show you. Our BSPs. So we maintain our BSPs, of course, once or twice a year, not only in the hardware, but it's important to maintain the Yocto and of course the kernel. So this is something we name as security at Phytec, to offer customers the security which customers need. So far so, of course it's only one point, which would be interesting within the package together with the hardware and software. And of course what is important, and the message of this trade show is the sustainability. So please let me show you our use case for sustainability, which is EV charger. It's realized with the AM68
services.
There's also other software
Pionix
we've got running on the board from QT has a GUI that runs on the AM62.
Yeah, so this is a small overview what we offer.